All right, I'm trying to make this video short, both because the customer is waiting and because I'm in a hot panel. So I went ahead and did a couple things to start. This is a GFI breaker. GFI breaker is supposed to protect people and equipment, especially people, of course. And this one is going to a sump pump, feeding a sump pump in a class 1 area where there are fumes, so we are required to install a GFI. Just wanted to make certain that apprentices understand GFI breaker has its own little pigtail, right? And that's a neutral. The pigtail of the GFI breaker ties to the neutral bar. Let's see if we can find the big neutral there, the big neutral wire. The hot ties in on the hot side as expected. See that little dot right there, that white dot? That reminds the installer, which might be one of you, that your field neutral, if I can see it, right there. Of course, I didn't unloosen the screw like I should have. This is the neutral that comes from the sump pump out in the field, okay? Your field neutral actually ties to the breaker, okay? And the pigtail then ties to the neutral bar. Make sure you do that. Field neutral to the breaker and pigtail to the bar so that the breaker will work correctly. Now I'm gonna turn off and put this thing back in with 2 hands.